This is the EZVIZ wire-free peephole doorbell. Pretty much it takes your regular peephole here and turns it into this. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box and some of the features, and we'll take it from there. Take a look at some of the features here. We get a 1080p camera, 4.3-inch display, and a few other things here. We can also see a 4600 milliamp rechargeable battery, H.265 video, and also up to 256 gigs of micro SD there. And first thing we see here is the display, and on the side we get the micro SD card and the mounting gear here and the micro USB cable here to charge the unit. I wish it was USB Type-C, that would have been much better. So this mounts outside the door, so this is like kind of the peephole, and this looks very nice. So we got the doorbell here, and then the motion detection, the camera here. The whole thing is like metal, it's not like plastic, which is very nice, and then we got some 3M tape. Pretty much you have to take off your old peephole and put this in. And here we got a USB Type-C which attaches to the display. But for some reason they went with the micro USB cable to charge the unit, which would have made much more sense to have a USB Type-C here as well. And here we got the micro USB cable to charge the unit itself. And here are some of the screws, and at the back we kind of got a tape measurement as well. So at the back of the unit we got this plastic and then the metal piece here where you have to mount it to the door. And whenever you want to go ahead and charge the unit, you can take this off and charge it, and then this will remain mounted in the door. Then you can just go ahead and slide it in again. So let's go ahead and mount this, and we'll see how it looks like. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and remove the old peephole here. And inside the package we saw here, we get 3 sets of different screws here depending on your door thickness. And here we have that doorbell all set up. So pretty much to turn it on, click here. We're gonna go ahead and just see some of the settings here. So we have monitoring, working mode, user mode, and then if you go ahead and click user mode, there's power saving, performance mode, ultra power saving, user mode, working mode, schedule, going back. We also have alarm sound as well, intelligent detection. So basic detection. We got the display here. So proximity screen is on. Screen brightness. Let's go ahead and turn this to the highest right now. Oh yeah, much nicer now. And then screen timeout durations, 10 seconds. Let's just go ahead for this review purpose, leave it to 30 seconds. Day, night. And then we got the WDR and then distortion calibration as well. Going to the doorbell, ringtone. So you're able to adjust the volume here for the doorbell. And also let's go ahead and check out the ringtone here. As you can see here, the touch screen is a little bit sluggish, it's not the greatest. Okay, let's go back. Let's leave that one on. And the doorbell LED indicator here. So let's go ahead and connect this to our Wi-Fi and see how the whole app works. This is how it looks like on the outside. So I've gone ahead and installed the EZVIZ app. All we need to do is click Add Device here. And then we're going to go ahead and choose our doorbell. And here I have the QR code, so we're just going to go ahead and scan it. Now it's just adding device, so it has found it here. And here we got our first notification here because we have it on, and we're also able to do a playback straight from here as well. Or if you want to go on live mode, we're able to click live, and then it's just going to load. And now we have live mode here. And device settings. So when we're looking at the device settings, pretty much kind of like what we saw in the main unit there. And you're getting actually a little bit more settings on the actual app. And also we can see here battery life 57%. So everything you kind of need to know is here. You're also able to go ahead and set up the motion detection on and off if you want to. But if someone goes ahead and rings the doorbell, as I'm gonna show you right here, let's go ahead and click the doorbell and see what we get here. And you can see here, right now it's ringing, just like as you would get a call in a way. And we got the reject, answer, and original sound as well. So let's go ahead and answer. So right now there's audio coming from the speaker. So there's that little speaker that you see there, that little holes. So the cool thing is I was able to get the signal right away to my phone as soon as the doorbell was pressed. There was really no delay, which is really nice. Because most of the doorbells you get nowadays, usually there's a little bit of a delay until you get the notification on your phone. But here, the notification was right away. The other great thing is now it's like if you don't want to open the door for someone, there's like no looking in the peephole. It's like they're seeing you, then the awkward situation. Here, you have a display screen. And if you don't want to open your door, you don't have to. So this is actually great. So there you have it. Pretty much the unit worked as it should right away. Did not face any issues at all, like while setting it up. Pretty much the setup is super easy. Just take off the old peephole, put in the new one here, connect the USB Type-C. And whenever it needs charging, just slide it up. It comes off. And whenever you want to go ahead and see if there's someone at the door, like you can go ahead and just click the button here. It will show you live. And also the doorbell, once you go ahead and click the doorbell on the outside, I got the notification right away on my phone, which is great. Because many doorbells, I have the Nest doorbell as well. It usually takes quite a bit actually until I get the signal back to my phone. So for this, the signal came right away. The only thing that I can pick on this camera is the 1080p camera. I wish it was a 2K or a 4K camera. It would have been a complete package here because it tends to work very well. Like the setup, even it looks nice on the outside too. So now you get a doorbell and a peephole 2-in-1, which is pretty cool. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this peephole here, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. I'll see you in the next video.